guys, and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only.
Take the next left onto Ream Avenue.
Accident happened after gray car runs stop sign.
In half a mile, turn right onto 23rd Street.
Dude!
Barrel on the road made this driver to stop. Unlucky for him, driver behind wasn't paying attention. Unsecured cargo can cause big mess on the road. Parked Honda got tailed by bad driver. BMW driver hits a car while pulling out.
Not like that, no.
Later on, driver decided to ditch the scene.
I'm gonna check. Innovation. No kidding. Idiot. Dumb shit everywhere.
Tax scaling up to 95%. 95%, so they would still be able to.
Oh, they're gonna slam on their brakes.
Hot police pursuit almost ended up in multiple car crash.
Oh, there's an accident. Just say change lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Luckily, this man managed to walk away without injuries from this horrific crash.
Just wait till I get through the damn lane, lady. Yeah.
got you on dash cam, buddy.
Hey, that'll definitely be going up on the channel.
I don't give a fuck like
Hey, what the f is that? You just...
Later down the road, this speeder gets busted by the cops.
Trump is on the receiving end of it. So Kevin McCarthy can break down exactly what happened at the end of the debate. Who he helped, who's going to be hurt. We also talked about I swear I'm not going to do it. All right. So, all right, let's go over to the House of Representatives. Are they doing anything over there? We've got Byron Donald, Greg Kelly, and so shout out to Greg Kelly for doing some good yesterday. Great stuff. All right.
I stared out his office windows to the Space Center beyond. The Space Center that housed mankind's most advanced knowledge of rocketry that had still failed to execute today's launch. If Mom were there, his wife again, no doubt. He let it go for a spin. He just couldn't face her. And he knew. A chime came from his computer. As he already saw an email from JPL, a message from him. 1603, Watney. How'd the launch go? Chapter 16. Martinez. Dr. Shields says I need to write personal messages to each of the crew. She says it'll keep me tethered to humanity. I think it's bullshit, but hey, it's me. With you, I can be blunt. If I die, I need you to check on my parents. I want to hear about our time on Mars firsthand. I'll need you to do that. It won't be easy talking to a couple about their dead son. It's a lot to ask. That's why I'm asking you. I can tell you you're my best friend and stuff, but it would be right. I'm not giving up, just planning for every outcome. That's what I do. Guo Ming, director of the China National Space Administration, examined the daunting pile of paperwork at his desk. In the old days, when China wanted to launch a rocket, they just launched it. Now they were completing international agreements to warn other nations first. It was a requirement, Guo Ming noted to himself, that did not apply to the United States. To be fair, the Americans probably announced their launch schedule in advance, so it amounted to the same thing. He walked a fine line from the Earth, making the launch date and flight path clear while bringing impossible to conceal state secrets. He snorted at the last requirement. Ridiculous. Battalion Shen had no strategic or military.
What the hell's he doing? What the fuck? What the fuck are people doing? Yeah,